From the moment you first taste it, the Starfruit, or Carambola, is an enigma. Its vibrant, waxy skin, its distinctive 5-point shape, and that unique sweet-tart flavor. It's a fruit that feels almost alien, yet it graces tables and markets worldwide. But have you ever paused to consider the journey this exotic fruit takes from a sun-drenched orchard to the perfectly preserved, delightful candy that melts in your mouth? It's a transformation far more intricate, far more technologically advanced, and frankly, far more dramatic than most could ever imagine. This isn't just about fruit drying, it's about precision engineering, about preserving a fleeting moment of tropical perfection, and about unlocking the hidden potential within nature's most visually striking produce. We're about to pull back the curtain on a world rarely seen, a world where ancient agricultural wisdom meets cutting-edge industrial innovation. Imagine stepping through a portal, leaving behind the familiar, and entering a realm where the air hums with the rhythm of machinery, where the scent of sweet carambola fills every corridor, and where every star-shaped slice is a testament to human ingenuity. This is the hidden world behind those everyday exotic treats, a place where the delicate balance of flavor, texture, and shelf life is meticulously controlled. It's a place where the vibrant green and yellow hues of fresh starfruit are captured and transformed, not just into a snack, but into an experience. We are not just exploring a factory, we are delving into a symphony of processes, a ballet of automation and human touch, all orchestrated to bring you that perfect bite. Prepare to uncover the secrets, the challenges, and the sheer marvel of how the exotic carambola becomes the candy you love. This is an exclusive look into a factory where the future of food preservation is being shaped, one star-shaped slice at a time. The starfruit, scientifically known as Avaroa carambola, is more than just a pretty face. It's a botanical marvel with a history as rich and layered as its flavor profile. Originating from Southeast Asia, particularly Malaysia and Indonesia, this fruit has been cultivated for centuries, not just for its unique taste but also for its perceived medicinal properties. Ancient texts describe its use in traditional remedies, from aiding digestion to reducing fevers. Its journey across continents began with intrepid traders, eventually finding its way to other tropical and subtropical regions, including parts of Africa, Central and South America, and even Florida in the United States. Each new home brought subtle variations in cultivation techniques and flavor profiles, but the core appeal of its striking appearance and refreshing taste remained universal. What makes starfruit so captivating, beyond its aesthetic appeal? Its unique flavor profile is a complex interplay of sweet and tart, often described as a blend of apple, grape, and citrus, with a subtle underlying sweetness that varies depending on the ripeness and specific cultivar. Some varieties are distinctly sweeter, while others lean towards a more acidic, tangy note. This versatility makes it a favorite for fresh consumption, juices, and, of course, candied forms. But here's a lesser-known fact. Starfruit contains oxalic acid, which, while generally harmless in moderation for most people, can be problematic for individuals with kidney issues. This chemical compound is also responsible for the slight astringency some people perceive, a characteristic that requires careful balancing in the candying process to achieve the perfect sweet-tart harmony. The starfruit's distinctive 5-point star shape isn't just a visual gimmick, it's a natural marvel of botany. This unique morphology makes it instantly recognizable and highly desirable for decorative purposes in culinary arts. However, this very shape presents a fascinating challenge in industrial processing. Unlike round fruits that can be easily peeled and sliced by conventional machinery, the carambola's ridges require specialized cutting tools and techniques to ensure uniform slices, minimizing waste and maximizing the iconic star shape in the final product. Early candying methods, often done in small batches, involve laborious hand slicing, a testament to the fruit's inherent difficulty in processing. Modern factories, however, have engineered ingenious solutions to automate this intricate task, transforming a manual bottleneck into a high-speed operation. Did you know that starfruit isn't always perfectly 5-point? Some varieties can have 4 or even 6 ridges, though 5 is the most common and commercially desirable. This slight variation can impact the aesthetic consistency of candied products, leading factories to implement rigorous sorting processes even before the fruit enters the production line. Beyond its shape, the fruit's texture is another fascinating aspect. When fresh, it's crisp and juicy, but candying transforms it into a chewy, translucent delight. This textural shift is a delicate dance between sugar concentration, temperature, and drying time, a process perfected over decades of experimentation. The goal is to retain some of the fruit's natural chewiness while infusing it with sweetness and extending its shelf life dramatically. The global demand for exotic fruit candies has surged, pushing starfruit cultivation and processing into a new era of innovation. Historically, candying fruits was a method of preservation, a way to enjoy seasonal produce year-round. Ancient Egyptians candied dates, and Romans preserved quinces in honey. The technique for starfruit likely evolved from similar practices in Southeast Asia, where sugar was readily available. However, modern candying goes far beyond simple sugar syrup. Today, factories employ advanced osmotic dehydration techniques, where water is drawn out of the fruit cells by a concentrated sugar solution, preserving the fruit's cellular structure and vibrant color far better than traditional boiling methods. This scientific approach ensures a superior product, both in taste and appearance. Consider the sheer volume. A single starfruit tree, under optimal conditions, can produce hundreds of fruits per season. Multiply that by acres of orchards, and you begin to grasp the scale of the operation required to supply a high-tech factory. The logistics of harvesting, transporting, and processing these delicate fruits without bruising or spoilage is an engineering feat in itself. From the moment a starfruit is picked, a race against time begins to get it to the factory in pristine condition. Any delay or improper handling can lead to enzymatic browning or microbial spoilage, rendering the fruit unsuitable for premium candy production. This necessitates rapid cooling chains and efficient transport networks, often involving refrigerated trucks moving directly from farm to factory. The evolution of starfruit candy is also a story of flavor innovation. While traditional candied starfruit relies on its natural sweet tartness, modern manufacturers experiment with infusions. Imagine starfruit candy with a hint of ginger, a touch of chili, or even a subtle floral note. These flavor enhancements are achieved through controlled marination processes, where the fruit absorbs additional essences along with the sugar syrup. This pushes the boundaries of what a simple fruit candy can be, transforming it into a gourmet experience. Furthermore, the use of natural colorings, often derived from other fruits or vegetables, ensures that the vibrant yellow and green hues of the starfruit are maintained or even enhanced without artificial additives, appealing to health-conscious consumers. One of the most surprising aspects of starfruit processing is the waste management. While the goal is to use as much of the fruit as possible, there are always trimmings and imperfect pieces. Instead of discarding these, innovative factories are finding ways to repurpose them. These waste products can be used to extract pectin, a natural gelling agent, or even to produce starfruit juice concentrates, ensuring that virtually every part of the harvested fruit finds a valuable application. This commitment to sustainability not only reduces environmental impact but also adds another layer of economic efficiency to the entire operation, turning what would once be considered refuse into a new revenue stream. The journey of starfruit from a tropical tree to a factory-produced candy is a testament to human ingenuity, a blend of ancient preservation techniques and modern industrial science. It's a story of how a delicate, visually stunning fruit is transformed, not just in form, but in its very essence, to become a delightful, long-lasting treat enjoyed by millions. Every chewy, sweet-tart bite is the culmination of meticulous planning, advanced technology, and a deep understanding of both botany and food science. The journey of the starfruit, or carambola, from a sun-drenched orchard to a perfectly candied treat begins long before it even reaches the factory gates. It starts with meticulous cultivation. Farmers select specific cultivars known for their ideal sugar-acid balance, firm texture, and consistent 5-point shape. Once harvested at peak ripeness, the fruits are carefully handpicked to avoid bruising, then immediately transported to the factory, often in refrigerated containers, to maintain their freshness and prevent enzymatic degradation. Upon arrival at the factory, the raw starfruit undergoes the first critical stage, inspection and sorting. This is a highly automated process, often augmented by human oversight. Fruits are conveyed along a sorting line where optical sensors and cameras scan each piece for size, color, and any blemishes or defects. Undersized, overripe, or damaged fruits are automatically diverted for other uses, such as juice or pectin extraction, ensuring only the highest quality carambolas proceed to candy production. This rigorous selection is paramount for a premium end product. Next, the selected starfruits move to the washing station. Here, they are thoroughly cleaned using a combination of high-pressure water jets and gentle brushing to remove any dirt, dust, or residual pesticides. Some factories might use a mild, food-grade sanitizing solution, followed by a final rinse, to ensure microbial purity. This step is crucial for food safety and to prepare the fruit for further processing. Following washing, the starfruits enter the slicing phase, a marvel of precision engineering. Unlike round fruits, the carambola's unique ridged structure requires specialized equipment. Automated slicers, often equipped with laser guidance, precisely cut the fruit crosswise into uniform star-shaped slices, typically between 5 to 10 millimeters thick. These machines are designed to minimize waste while preserving the iconic star shape, a key visual appeal of the candy. The speed and accuracy of these slices are astounding, processing hundreds of fruits per minute. Once sliced, the starfruit pieces are ready for the core transformation, osmotic dehydration. This is a sophisticated process where the fruit slices are immersed in large tanks filled with a highly concentrated sugar syrup. The syrup, often a blend of sucrose, glucose, and sometimes fruit juice concentrates, acts as an osmotic agent, drawing water out of the fruit cells while sugar slowly diffuses into them. This process is carefully controlled for temperature, syrup concentration, and immersion time, which can range from several hours to a full day, depending on the desired moisture content and sweetness level. The syrup is continuously monitored and refreshed to maintain its osmotic potential. This method preserves the fruit's natural color and flavor much better than traditional boiling. After osmotic dehydration, the fruit slices are gently removed from the syrup and undergo a rinsing stage to remove excess surface sugar. They are then spread onto large conveyor belts or trays, ready for the final drying process. This typically occurs in controlled drying chambers, where warm, dehumidified air circulates evenly around the fruit. The drying temperature and airflow are meticulously regulated to gradually reduce the moisture content to the desired level, typically around 15 to 20%. This stage is critical for achieving the characteristic chewy texture and extending shelf life. Too much heat can scorch the fruit, while too little can lead to spoilage. Some advanced factories use vacuum drying or freeze drying for even better preservation of flavor and nutrients, though these methods are more energy intensive. Once dried to perfection, the candied starfruit slices move to the quality control station. Here, human inspectors and sometimes automated vision systems perform a final check for consistency in color, shape, and texture. Any pieces that don't meet the stringent quality standards are removed. This ensures that only the finest candied starfruit makes it to packaging. The final stage is packaging. The candied starfruit is typically weighed and then sealed in airtight, moisture-proof bags or containers. This packaging is designed to protect the product from humidity, oxygen, and contaminants, preserving its freshness, flavor, and chewy texture for an extended period. High-speed automated packaging machines ensure efficiency and hygiene. The packaged candies are then labeled, often with nutritional information and batch codes for traceability, before being grouped into larger cartons for shipping. Throughout the entire manufacturing process, stringent safety protocols are in place. Workers wear protective gear, and all machinery and surfaces are regularly sanitized. Environmental controls, such as temperature and humidity regulation, are maintained to prevent microbial growth. From the moment the Starfruit arrives to when it leaves as a finished candy, every step is a testament to precision, automation, and an unwavering commitment to quality and safety, transforming an exotic fruit into a delightful, shelf-stable treat. What an incredible journey, from a vibrant tropical fruit to a perfectly preserved, delicious candy. We've peeled back the layers of technology and tradition, revealing the intricate dance of nature and industry that brings Starfruit candy to your plate. From the careful selection in sun-drenched orchards to the precision slicing and advanced osmotic dehydration, every step is a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of perfection. But the world of factory production is vast and full of even more astonishing transformations. If you found the journey of the Starfruit fascinating, imagine the complex processes behind another everyday snack that starts as a humble root vegetable and ends up as a crispy, irresistible delight. How do simple potatoes become those perfectly uniform, crunchy chips we all love? What high-tech machinery ensures every chip is seasoned just right? And how do they manage to produce billions of bags every year? Don't miss our next deep dive. Click on the video that just appeared on your screen to go inside a modern potato chips factory. How crunchy snacks are mass-produced. You won't believe the scale and precision involved. And while you're here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss another journey into the hidden worlds behind your favorite products. We'd love to hear from you. What was the most surprising fact you learned about Starfruit candy production today? Let us know in the comments below.